Hello and welcome to the computer tutorials. Class 4, Chapter 2. The name of the lesson is GUI Operating System, Desktop Management. Dear students, we have already discussed the question answers given on page number 22 in the previous session. And in this session, we are going to do the objectives given on page number 20. My dear children, I request you all to open page number 20. The first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the hint words given in your book. I have highlighted the answers on the screen. The first question is the dash is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. Answer: taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. Second one, the middle section of the taskbar is known as the dash. The middle section of the taskbar is known as the quick launch bar. Battery status can be seen on the taskbar in the dash area. Battery status can be seen on the taskbar in the notification area. Fourth one, the dash are the graphical images that gives quick access to the related applications. Application icons are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related applications. Fifth one, to customize the desktop, right-click on the blank area and select the dash option. To customize the desktop, right-click on the blank area and select the personalize option. Sixth one, a dash icon has a small jump arrow on its left corner. A shortcut icon has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Now B, page number 21. State whether the given statements are true or false. First one, quick launch bar is present between the start button and the notification area, and the statement is true. You can customize the taskbar to best suit your needs. Again, the statement is true. Speaker icon is present on the quick launch bar. The statement is false because speaker icon is present on the notification area. Notification area provides an easy and quick way to open the programs. False. The middle section provides an easy and quick way to open programs. Fifth one, the shortcut menu is also called the context menu. Again, the statement is true. The sixth one, the options present in the start menu provide access to the main programs on the computer, and the statement is true. So, dear children, except third and fourth statement, rest all the statements are true. So mark first, second, fifth and sixth statement as true, and third and fourth statement is false. Mark it properly. The answers are highlighted on the screen. Now next one. Same page number 21. D part. Multiple choice questions. Below each and every question, 3 options are given, and from that you have to find the correct answer. Which folder holds the deleted files or folders in a computer? The options are recycle bin, this PC, document, and the correct answer is recycle bin. The dash feature allows to work with multiple applications on the same screen: snapping, arrow peek, flex peek, and the correct answer is snapping. Third one, which among the following features allows you to search for information on the system or on the web directly? Options are search, Cortana, find, and the correct option is Cortana. Cortana allows you to search for information on the system or on the web directly. Which combination keys is used to snap the windows? First option, Windows key plus escape. Second option is Windows key plus tab, and the third option is Windows key plus arrow keys, and the correct answer is Windows key plus arrow keys. C. Window key plus arrow keys are used to snap the windows. Now the last one, the full form of GUI is. The options are graphical user interface, geometrical user interface, graphical unified interface, and the answer is graphical user interface. The full form of GUI is graphical user interface. My dear students, you have to write all the question answers and these objective questions in your copy properly. Tally the answers again and don't forget to learn the spellings and the answers as it is written. Read the chapter again. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.